It got to her talking about, what her and her husband do as far as like, business wise. And it really just captured me. And nobody in my family has ever done real estate. So, my mindset was, you just get a job, get a regular 9 to 5, and, you work for such and such amount of years, and you get a good retirement program, and you provide for your family, this, that, and the other. Like, nobody has ever explained real estate to me the way that Gabby has. As I'm just sitting at work watching it, I'm just feeling the call from God to do this. My wife had prayed and asked God, like, God, show my husband what the plan is for us. Like, what is the next step you want us to do? And then the next day, so my wife prayed that on Monday. The next day, that's when Gabby was doing like day 1 of the lab. And I literally felt God pulling me, like telling me, hey, this is what you're gonna do. So then I end up telling my wife that. And then fast forward a couple days later, she told me like, hey, this is actually something that I prayed about. And it was just mind blowing. Man, it really truly is a blessing. And this is something, I'm telling you from a personal experience, this is something that I know for me and my family that God has really called us to do. So let's get it.